the absence of the actual computation. So the current estimate is around 9 billion additional that would be needed
Yes,
to
Madam Chair.
stage the BSKE elections for 2026.
That's right, Madam Chair. Noong pong 2023 election, nung na-reset po tayo, Madam Chair, kinailangan po ng komisyon ng 2.5 billion pesos. Actually, 3 billion po dapat. Hiningi rin po namin sa Congress, nag-motion po actually sa committee hanggang sa plenary, pero po unfortunately, nung lumabas na po yung wala po yung dagdag. And so yung pong 2.5 billion pesos ay binigay po sa amin from the contingency fund of the Office of the President. Ganun na po yun nangyari. So ngayon po, this early, dahil naipasa nga po yung postponement ng barangay and SK after the submission of the proposed budget by the Commission on Elections, it does not contain yet the proposed budget for 2026. It does not contain yet the additional budget for the BSKE.
Just to clarify lang po, Chairman Garcia, the current proposal in the NEP of 11.84 billion pesos, does it factor in any allocations for the BSKE?
Wala po, Madam Chair.
Okay, for the record lang
Yes,
po,
ma'am.
kasi when this was prepared, the assumption was the BSKE will proceed
Yes po.
in December of this year,
That's
of
right, Madam Chair.
2025.
That's right po.